How to connect Stripe with WordPress 2024 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can connect your e-commerce website on WordPress to Stripe, an amazing payment provider. Okay, it's I would say it's a lot better than PayPal when it comes to e-commerce. So if you want to do e-commerce payments, definitely Stripe is the guy for you. So how do we start our working on Stripe? First of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure that your WordPress has a business plan. So if you go on upgrades over here, as you can see currently I have a free plan, but this will not work on the free plan for you. You are going to need at least the business plan, or you can also go with the WooCommerce, which is obviously much better. So, get at least the business plan or get at least the WooCommerce plan. And once you get these plans for yourself, basically, what's going to happen is that you're going to allow your WordPress to add in payments, even if you, because we are going to need to add plugins. So if you go on plugins over here, you can see that you need to upgrade a business. We go on WooCommerce over here, you can see that you need to upgrade your store. So yeah, these things are really relevant. So make sure that you have an upgraded account. Now, once we have made sure that our account is fully upgraded, from there, what do we have to do? Let me tell you. So from there, what you're going to want to do is you are going to go into your plugins and you're going to search up Stripe over here. Now, as you can see, we have Stripe over here, and it's going to tell us WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Take credit card payments on your store using Stripe. Okay, so first of all, you're going to need to download this. So it's totally free. Obviously, make sure you have a business account, but once you do that, it's totally free. Activate this, and as you can see, it's a Stripe gateway. You can take credit card payments on your store, and you can also see if it's available in your region. So once we've made sure of this, what you're going to do over here is you're going to go over to Stripe. Okay, you're simply going to come over to stripe.com, which gives you a proper financial and infrastructural structure. So here you can see financial infrastructure for the internet, right? Millions of companies of all sizes use Stripe online and in person to accept payments and send payouts, automate financial processes, and ultimately grow revenue. So let me show you how Stripe actually works and how you're going to create an account on it. So create an account on Stripe is an absolute piece of cake. Just come to stripe.com. Once you come to stripe.com, what you're going to do over here is it's going to say start now over here. So simply click on start now. And once you click on start now, from there, it's going to take you into the onboarding section. So here, you're going to want to go ahead and add an email to verify yourself. Okay. And obviously, you're going to want to add a full name and all, add a strong password. Obviously, make sure to go with a password that's well affiliated and it's strong. Okay. Once you do that, add your email over here. And once you get all of that, click on create account. And as you can see, support any business model, it actually says e-commerce and subscriptions over here. So as we can see, Stripe is just a much better version of PayPal. Okay, that's what I would call it. So now what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead and check our email because that is where they send us the confirmation mail. So I'm going to open up the confirmation mail link over here. And as you can see, it's going to bring us to the confirmation email section where it welcomes us, to walk us through all the things. So what you're going to do over here is you can either click on activate payments or you can click on explore more features. So obviously I'm going to go with explore more features and it brings me straight to this page. So what do you need to do? See how Stripe's products can address your business needs. Now you can obviously go with all of these, ask it to show you around, or I'm just gonna go with, I'm not sure, show me all products, okay? So it brings you to this section and you can choose these scope products. So first of all, there's payment links where you can create a link, sell anywhere in minutes, sell products, subscriptions, or accept donations, share link over email or chat, etc. So this is what would make more sense. Or you could also bill customers with subscriptions. This is better for recurring payments, if you know what I mean. This is better for different payment links that you have. Okay. So you can simply go with payment links, and over here you can see time to implement a few clicks. The pricing is totally free. It does take the tax off whenever a transaction occurs, but that's totally fine, because a little sum of money should be given to the people at, uh, you know, Stripe. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to verify your payment or activate your payment. We're going to do that in just a second. Basically, I just want to give you an idea and show you how we're going to work with this whole payment phenomena. So if you come over to payments, again, I showed you there's a lot of different ways you can do this. So you can share a link to a checkout page where you can sell a product or subscription or accept a donation by sharing a link to a payment page. You can manually charge a customer, so create a payment from the dashboard by manually entering a customer's card information. You can invoice a customer, collect one-time or recurring payments from a specific customer while automating reconciliation. Obviously, these are the ones where no coding is required. Then this is where code comes in. So use a hosted payment user interface where you can accept payments on your website by integrating their pre-built hosted payment page. Now, these down here require codes, so I wouldn't recommend these. The most used ones are these two. This is for recurring payments, this is for one-time checkout. So you can simply click on create a payment link, and as you can see, it starts creating a link. So what you can simply do is once your link is created, like let's say I'm gonna add a test product over here. So let's say I'm selling glasses on my store. You can upload an image for this. I'm just gonna keep it normal. I'm gonna give it $7 and I'm gonna click on add product. So here we can see we have added glasses. This is a checkout for the glasses page. This is just an example. And a person can add their information just over here. So you're going to create a link for this and you can embed this into your actual website. Okay, so this is your link. You can actually get a embedded link as well. So pretty incredible, pretty easy, pretty fun stuff, right? Now, moving on, this is one way to actually add payments to your WordPress. Now, the other way, which is the more, you could say, efficient way, would be to write API keys over here. And here it says go to developer API keys. Now, what they're going to do over here is they're going to give us a publishable key. So here's our token and here's our publishable key where you can actually, publish a key. There's a secret key as well, which is obviously just for you. So I'm not going to reveal this right now. But here's a proper publishable key. Now what you're going to do is you're going to copy this publishable key and you are going to go over to your WooCommerce. And once you're in your WooCommerce, what's going to happen from here is that you are going to upgrade and activate this, add your Stripe payment gateway. And once the Stripe payment gateway is added for yourself, you're going to be set to go. So you're just going to add the publishable key that we copied into the Stripe payment gateway section, and that's going to connect your store with the Stripe payment gateway, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.